Hey, this is Jess Collicott, and I want to give you a quick tip using ChatGPT that might surprise you. Did you know you can transcribe hard to read text, even handwritten and cursive text, using ChatGPT? Whether it's an old letter, a messy note, or something visually hard to see, ChatGPT can help extract it quickly and clearly. And I'm going to show you two real examples, one from a printed article and one handwritten in cursive, so that you can see how it works. So let's jump in. Here I have ChatGPT, just a blank new session ready to go on the left. On the right, I have a picture that my dad sent me of a physical magazine that he likes to read. And so this is the editor's note from the article. He sent me the image. It's not illegible. I can see it, but it's hard for my eyes to read it for some reason. So what I want to show you is I'm going to take this image, and yes, the native Mac OS image utility does let you OCR text quickly. There may be a scenario like the one I'm going to give you next where it doesn't work and that doesn't make sense. So one of the things that I like to do frequently with ChatGPT is take screenshots and paste them in. On the MacBook, I'm going to use Command Shift 5. On Windows, you can use Shift Windows S. So if I, on the MacBook, use Command Shift 5, I'm going to bring up this little rectangle here, overlay it exactly where I want to copy, make sure that my options are set to clipboard because I don't want to save this image. I just want it in the clipboard so I can paste it. Click Capture, and then I'll say, please transcribe this text. And just go ahead and Control V or Command V, paste into the ChatGPT session. ChatGPT will then show you the transcribed text. And so you've got it. So now you can bring it into your session, you can copy and paste it out, you can work with it. But I'm going to give you another example. So in another example, I want to show you that it can work with cursive. I have done a web search for a messy cursive example. And here on Reddit, if you're familiar with Reddit, there's this post. It says, my significant other says my handwriting is really sloppy. I think they can't read cursive, and I'm not sure what else they say. So anyways, we've got this image here. It's in cursive, and let's say it's even more sloppy, but it is what it is, and I need help seeing it. I want to transcribe it, or maybe I have trouble with cursive. I can use the same technique. I can bring up the snipping tool. Again, on the MacBook, it's Command Shift, and I can then grab the exact area that I want to capture, put it in the clipboard, please transcribe, paste it in, and then it comes back with the text from the image. Now, one tip that I have, and I use this tip on using a transcription on a longer cursive example that was very important, that it was word for word example. You can ask ChatGPT to double check its work. ChatGPT, especially the 4L model, is very eager to help and sometimes chooses eagerness over accuracy. And so you can ask it to double check its work. And you don't even need to use the right spelling of words here. So it's going to go through and make sure and double check, make sure it's accurate. So that's a way now you can copy and paste this out. It's also in the ChatGPT session in case you want to work with it. There may be scenarios where that's very helpful. You can do that with any type of screenshot of anything or any photo. Just grab a snippet, paste it into the session, and ChatGPT can see it and work with it. Hope that tip is helpful. Like this post if you found it helpful, and leave a comment for how you're using ChatGPT.